What's good, everybody? Today I'm driving a 2003 Park Avenue Ultra. It's got a few lights on, but these are just sensors, and I just wanted to show you. You can buy a car like this for about $1,100. It goes down the road, it gets really good mileage. It's got very cold AC. This particular Park Avenue has the supercharged 3800. I bought this car for $1,100, and I bought it sight unseen. I bought it without even test driving it. I didn't check it over at all. I met the guy, and I signed the title over and handed the cash to him right on the hood of the car the day I bought it. And he drove away, and I got in this car and I drove it home. And the only things I've had to do to this car since I bought it was put in a front trans mount because it was bad, and I had the subframe welded on the right front corner because it was had bottomed out. Evidently this car was totaled at one point in time due to a front-end collision on the right front, and it mangled up the subframe, which I had straightened out, and I had it re-welded, and then I put a couple of tires on it. All in all, I spent $50 on a good set of Tiger Paws, which I put on the front. Cost me $45 to have them mounted and balanced. The trans mount, and I had an oil change done, and I had the weld taken care of. That was $172. And I do believe that is all the money I have put into this car other than gasoline. It doesn't leak oil. It doesn't leak coolant. It doesn't leak anything. It runs perfect. It's got no hiccups. I mean, if you could put up with a couple of idiot lights on the dash, I'm sure it's well worth it. I mean, it's a very nice car. Everything works. There's no visible damage anywhere on this car, except on the outside right front corner. There is a dent in the front quarter, which is real minimal. I've been driving this car around now for about almost 2.5 months, and it starts, runs, and drives perfect every time. It's proof positive you can buy a car with a Prior Salvage title, and if you know your cars and you know your automotive well enough, you can pretty well pick out the good ones and the bad ones. I just wanted to share this video with you guys. I know I put up a bunch of pictures and still shots on my channel, but I wanted to do an actual driving down the road just to show you guys that you can buy a nice car for not a lot of money. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to drop a comment down below. Tell me what you thought. This car's got a leather interior. It's got a very nice back seat. Everything's in great condition. I mean, the interior is super clean, except for my stuff that's in here. It's a very nice car. It's got heated mirrors. It's even got the turn signals on the mirror. It's got OnStar, which is no longer functional. I don't really need it. It's got steering wheel controls. And that's about it. So, have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.